In this video, I will show you how to move emails to folder in Outlook using keyboard shortcut. So you're in your Outlook inbox or any other folder, and now you want to move some folders to a different folder. Here's how to do it. So I'm in my inbox, and now all you have to need, select one or multiple emails you want to move to a different folder, and the keyboard shortcut is just press Ctrl Shift V, and here you will get the pop-up to move the selected items to. And now in this list here you will find all of your added email accounts. For example, I want to move these selected mails to this mail account, and here you can select a folder from here to move your emails. Or if you want to create a new folder, just click here and create a new folder. So I'm going to selecting this inbox and just clicking on OK, and that's it. As you can see, all of my selected emails have been successfully moved to my another folder. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.